Hello? In this tutorial, we are going to talk about the BIM Workplace plugin for Revit. The first step is to install the plugin. To do this, you should go to the top menu, click on the BIM Workplace logo, and then click the download button. Once you've done that, a plugin download containing the version for Revit and the version for Navisworks will be downloaded to your computer. Once the download is complete, just go to your Downloads folder, extract the zip file, and when you open the folder, you have the option to install the plugin for Revit or the plugin for Navisworks. In this tutorial, we will only cover the Revit plugin, so please just double-click on it now. A security warning message like this may appear on your computer, so you can click on More Information and run it anyway. After that, just click the Next button. In my case, I already have the Revit plugin installed, so in this case, I will cancel the installation. Once that's done, I will open my model in Revit. After that, through the top menu of your program, you can easily access the BIM Workplace plugin, which has already been installed on your computer. And the first step will be to log in to your user account. I've already logged into my account, but the step-by-step process is really very simple and easy to follow. Just click the button, enter your email, your password, and log in. If you need to log in with another account, simply log out and then repeat the same procedure once again. Our plugin features several useful tools. So, you have the option to log in through My User, and you also have the option to connect with the hub, so you can make a connection between the project and the workplace. Here is a notable feature for Revit 2022 models or older versions. These Revit models, since they are from earlier versions, do not generate the IFC guide. So, in this case, you just need to simply click this specific button, and that way, you'll be able to create the IFC guides that we use within BIM Workplace. For models from 2023 onwards, it's not necessary to use this tool. We also have the Model Upload button, as well as the button to manage topics, and here we have the button that takes us directly to BIM Workplace. If any new updates are available, you can perform the necessary update through Revit by clicking this button and following the recommended installation steps. Imagine for a moment that you want to upload a brand new model, for example from Revit, to the BIM Workplace platform. To do this, you can, for example, click the Upload Model button. Please keep in mind that the publishing settings configured in Revit are the same ones that will be used through BIM Workplace. So, let's click the OK button. After that, you need to choose which workplace this model will be sent to. Then, you should select the project where this model will be present. And finally, you can select whether this is a new model or a new version of an existing model. In this case, I'm going to indicate that it's a new version. And I'll click the Apply button. Before you go ahead and click the Apply button, I would like to show you how our models are appearing within the Model Management section of BIM Workplace. So I'm going to enter the BIM Workplace project. Now, I'll navigate to either the Collaboration module or the Explorer. And here we can clearly see that there is only one single version of the architecture file. So now I'm going to go back to Revit. And I'll apply it, adding this file as a new version of an existing file. Remember, to add a new file, just click on New Model. Okay. Let's wait now. The model was updated successfully. So now let's click the OK button and close the window, please. Now I'm going to press F5 to refresh our Bring Workplace page. Access Model Management and review the versions. It is clearly visible that an updated version was uploaded for the architecture model, as well as the models that were linked to the file were also incorporated into the project. In this case, the linked model was the Hydro model, which within Beam Workplace was created as a new version since it didn't exist previously. Back in Revit, we can access the hub area, and it's in this area where we link our Revit model with our Beam Workplace model. So we can see that yes, the workplace is correct and so is the project. The model we're working on is this one, and it is directly linked to the same model within Beam Workplace. You can modify this model if it was not correct. Once that's done, just click the Apply button. And now, any modifications or adjustments made to this model in Revit can be easily updated and viewed within Beam Workplace in a simple and clear manner. Through the Revit plugin, we have a direct connection with the collaboration module. To do this, you just need to access the collaboration area on the platform and click the Manage Topics button. By using this specific tab, you can view the topics created inside of Beam Workplace, and also the topics created inside of Revit. You will be able to view them within Beam Workplace. This area is a shared general area where data flows freely. To create a new topic, you can access the 3D model. To illustrate, let's go back to Beam Workplace. And let's create a new topic for this model. So, I'm going to select the new version and activate it. With the updated version, we are now finally able to create a new topic. So, for example, I can select this wall and create a new topic. And now I'm going to click the Update Topics button and then go back to Revit itself. Once that's done, for now, I'm going to update the topics. And now we have access to all the topics related to this model. To create a topic within Revit, just select the area or element you want to work on. In this case, I'm going to very carefully select and highlight this window. Now, we can proceed to create a brand new topic, entering exactly the same information we would typically and routinely enter in the Beam Workplace platform. Once that's done, just click the Apply button. And the new topic has been created. Now, if I go back to Beam Workplace, I can easily update the topics. And the specific topic I created earlier in Revit is present in our list of available topics. Notice carefully that the Go to Room button has not been enabled. To enable this specific feature whenever you are creating a new topic within Revit, or if you decide to edit this topic later on, you need to add the image. So we update the image and now we have the option to go directly to this specific area in the model, back in Revit. In this way, we have presented the main features of our Revit plugin.